Do you see it? Two shapes drifting, white on black water. Cold glass river city breathing slow. Sound bleeds through where the dark tides flow. Feathers trace circles in the quiet gray. Two bodies drifting in the same way. No words spoken, just glide and turn. A silent language only the heart can learn. In the stillness of nature where the noise dissolves, two come together and love evolves. No rush, no sound, just the pull when you come around. We move like water, slow and true. Black lake mirrors both me and you. No need to rush it, no need for speed. Two soft wings, just one heartbeat. We move like water, deep and wide, drifting together side by side. No need to speak, no need for sound. Found a purpose with you around. Morning breaks in a silver haze. Ebbs and flows make little waves. Closer now, still feels new. Every path just leads to you. Neck to neck in a perfect frame.